Hi, Noma from Galencia Properties here. Today I'm at Villa La Seule Estate, Caswold, Midrand, in one of Galencia's beautiful kitchens. We're gonna be meal prepping. What we have today is your croissant sandwich and salad, as well as something very nice for you to end the day off with, to pair with that Galencia one. Are we ready? First thing first, what I have is my butter lettuce, and then I have my tomatoes, avocados, my croissants, and finally I have my chicken breasts. Now for the final part, I have my red grapes here, my green seedlets here, my biscuits of course, and then here I have my biltong. Finally, my blueberries. By the looks of things, I have too many things, might have to call a friend.